So today we're going to look at how to create a sales funnel in the Builderall funnel builder. Now, if you for some reason still didn't claim your free Builderall trial and the $1,000 bonuses that comes with it, I suggest you do that right now by clicking the link below so that you can follow along in this video. Now let's have a look at what we can do with the Builderall funnel builder. But first off, what's a sales funnel? The whole goal of a sales funnel is to take potential customers through the customer journey from cold leads to warmed up buyers. We achieve this by taking a potential customer through a number of steps, called a sales funnel. A good sales funnel should be designed to make sure that there's as little distractions as possible. That's why you never see a menu in a sales funnel, because we don't want people to stray from the funnel. Instead, we want to lead them from point A to B. In other words, from the problem they have to the solution that we can offer them. So, in its simplest form, a typical sales funnel would look something like this. So the first step, every funnel starts with traffic that we warm up to an offer by giving them valuable or entertaining information for free. The second step is to convert our traffic into leads by offering additional information in exchange for their contact information, usually an email. We then send them to a confirmation page telling them to check and confirm their email in order to access what they've requested. We do this to make sure that we got their real contact information and a good email. As soon as they confirm their email by clicking the link that we sent them, we take them to the thank you page. This is where we deliver the product or service we promised, and now they are warm leads and it's a good time to offer additional products or services to solve their problem. Okay, so that's a simple sales funnel. Luckily, we can quickly build sales funnels like this, as well as much more advanced sales funnels using the Builderall sales funnel builder. It gives us a very visual way of building sales funnels, as you'll see in this video. Alright, so now we are going to build our sales funnel in the funnel builder. And we can do that either through coming down here to tools and find the funnel builder here, or again up under the apps tab here and to the left under the Cheetah website builder. So let's hit that. Okay, and so that will take us here, and as you can see, again, you have a video showing you a short overview of the funnel builder. Could be a good idea to watch just to get to learn the tool a little bit more if you want. For now, I'm just going to hit the create new funnel button down here, and I will give it a name and call it our agency funnel, and then choose a theme. So we could choose between all these nice themes here. Why not just go with the actual agency funnel theme? Let's do that. So, and then we click create funnel. Saving, we can see it shows up, and then it takes us straight into the funnel builder of that theme. So let's hit the start the funnel button here. And now, of course, we could choose just pages freely like this if we want to do that, or we could choose a blueprint here. So let's just go with this blueprint, simple enough page. And then if we come down to the little square here under the plus and minus sign above the lock and hit that, it'll just center everything so it's a little bit easier to work with. We have our squeeze page, our confirm email page, our thank you page, and our form. And as you can see, there's a little exclamation point here. If we hit that, it lets us know that we need to edit the form, either create a new list or load a list. We are going to get back to this a little bit later and set up our list from scratch. So for now, I'm just gonna close that and let it be the way it is. Let me just show you how this works. You can obviously move things around. And let's say you want to add a page, then you can just hit the plus sign here, or anywhere you want to add it, really. Let's hit that. That takes us in here. And let's say we just wanted to add this kind of bridge page instead. So we have that there. We have another form, of course, for the bridge page here. It's a form page. Wanna delete that, we just hit the X here. And now we could connect this. Let's say we want to connect it here. Or if we change our mind and we want to connect it somewhere else, we just hit the arrow here, double click on that, and that allows us to delete the connection and maybe connect it like this instead. For example, I am going to delete that, and let me just recenter everything, click this one and delete that as well, and just leave this the way it is. Okay, so let's save everything. And as soon as it's saved, we could either generate a new site, but since we have already started building our website, we will just hit this link with website. And then we need to choose our website from the scroll down menu here and hit save changes. And don't worry if you can't see it straight away there. All right, so now there's a very important step left, and that is to sync the website. But let me just show you, because you could also go to websites. So let's do that first. And as you can see, there's nothing more than the home page that we built before here now. So let's go back to the Cheetah funnel builder and hit the sync sign here. Now it says missing pages on funnel. That is the home page. We don't really need to care about this. If we hit this, it will only prompt us to create a new home page in the funnel. But we already have our home page, so we're not going to bother with that. Instead, we're going to come down here to missing pages on Cheetah. Hit that and the arrow here by the squeeze page. See it's added. Come back under missing pages again. Hit the confirm email page. Same thing, hit the sync again and hit the thank you page. All right, so this is something you have to do when you link it to a existing website, not if you generate a new site, obviously. All right, so now that's done, we can save everything again and then hit the go to website sign here. And so that adds the 3 pages in our website. Okay, if we want to just preview this quickly, what we need to do first now is republish the whole website. Hit the republish button up here in the corner, then hit the 3 dots and go to website. And here we can see our squeeze page and our confirm email page. And of course the thank you page. So that's really how easy it is, but let's now just edit this a little bit. So let's start by editing the squeeze page. And here we are. This title is not too sexy, obviously, so let's click that. Hit the T here to take us into the large content editor and say learn and I'm going to change this to, let's say 28. Save that. That one I'm gonna leave for now. I wanna add some more text, so I'm gonna go in here, elements, hit the text, say title 2. Actually, let me edit it from the large content editor, like that. And let's change this font to Arial Black, the size to 40, and let's centerline it. And let's put a strike through this. Make this red. Okay, something like that. And then obviously we can change the container by just dragging it like this. I'm gonna move this for now. And let me just double click this and put a underline like that. And this one I'm probably gonna delete. The form, I'm actually gonna delete that too. We're gonna let that come as a pop-up instead, which means we don't really need this now, but we could still use it later. So let's hit save element here and just call that 100% spam free. Okay, and so now we're just gonna delete that from here like that. I'm gonna take this image and just move it up here for now, and then come out here and find a button. There we are. And let's see if we can find a nice button. Let's just go with this yellow button here. Hit edit element and find the headline. Say, actually I'm gonna use all caps here. Okay, and let's make this a little bit bigger, like that, and then obviously also make the text font a lot bigger. I feel like that's a little bit blue. I want to make sure it's black. It is blue, so let's drag it down here and make it black, like that. I also don't like the color of the button itself, so let's change that. Let's also change this to Arial black, actually, like that. Find that, and then maybe on the hover color we're gonna give it a nice green. Let's try that. All right, so let's make sure we have center aligned everything here by clicking it and then hitting this center element. Same thing here. All right, cool. So very simple, and then obviously we are going to link this later to our form. So let's also make sure it looks good on the mobile. Let's just hit save first, and that asks us if we want to publish it right now. I'm gonna say not now. Go to the mobile sign up here in the left corner, and as you can see, everything is a little bit wacky, so I'm just gonna click that and hit the arrow to move it up, and I think that's a little bit better, but I want to maybe change the element here. Let's try and change it. It's a little bit small, make it 20. Actually, let's just try and see 30. Okay, good enough. So let's go back to our site here, and then come out by hitting the house. So we can just say save and exit, and save and exit. All right, and so now we would have to republish to see it again. Hit the republish here and go to the website. Okay, there we are. And then next we're gonna just change the confirm email page by hitting edit page. Let's see, I don't think we have to do much here, to be honest. Okay, so you might wanna just add in where they got it from. So from, and maybe just make that red. Make this bold and maybe even a little bit bigger. This we can move down a little bit. All right, cool. Let's hit save. Make sure everything looks nice on the mobile as well. There we are. Come back to the desktop, and then again you have tutorials here if you want to go a little bit deeper into this and learn more. Just check those out. So for now, let's hit the house here and come back, say save and exit, save and exit, and hit the republish. Lastly, the thank you page. Great, so let's edit that. Now obviously it's hard to see, but let's change the color for now to black and say congratulations. Change this to the Arial black, 40, that's fine. And lastly, just save it, change it back to white, hit save, and maybe add a little bit more text here. Okay, and we could actually keep it like this, obviously, that's pretty cool. Why not? Let's try that. And then here you could, of course, change this video. Just hit that, click edit element, and under general settings, you would just have to paste your YouTube URL there, for example. Okay. And then remind your customers why they should take the next step, of course, and change the button here so that it's congruent with your message. All right, let's hit save. Check the mobile. Okay, so it looks almost good. We just need to move this up, and there we are. Now it's the same. Let's come back out here and go to the house, hit save and exit. And so now if we republish our site and go to the website here, here's our thank you page. All right, so that's how quick and easily you set up your sales funnel within the Funnel Builder and Cheetah Builder. Next, we are going to look at how we can connect and activate your domain, as well as the SSL certificate that shows our visitors that this is a secure website.